Hi friends, welcome back to RB English Academy, and in this video we are about to discuss a topic, e-learning. In this current scenario, due to pandemic situation, almost we are learning our education through online. So definitely this video will help you to enhance your ideas based on e-learning. Let's get into the session. The main objective of e-learning is to enhance the quality of learning and teaching. Actually, e-learning not only supports the students, it also helps the teachers to enhance their skills. It actually creates a new platform for teachers and students. It also helps learners learn by themselves. It also creates a new platform for every learners to learn by themselves. The concept of e-learning. E-learning is an abbreviation of the term electronic learning. What are the things we learn through electronic device will come under the e-learning. E-learning is a technology which supports teaching and learning using a computer web technology. So in e-learning we are using computer web technology. It is fully based on technology and it focus on learners. It is fully learner centric. What is e-learning? E-learning is nothing but web-based learning, online learning, distributed learning, internet-based learning. E-learning is fully based on internet and technology. The impacts of e-learning. E-learning will increase motivation. It will motivate you to learn many things through online. For example, if we complete any new course through online, it will motivate to learn the next course which is related to the particular core or others. So it will motivate us to learn many things. It deepens our understanding. If we didn't get the particular concept, we can again go through the same concept for better understanding. It provides new way interacting. In our regular classes, we used to have face to face interact with our teachers or teachers with students. The entire thing will be changed through online. We can interact with teachers through video chat or video conference or email or any internet sources. It creates interest in learning. And what are the tools we can use for e-learning? We can use tools like email, audio chat, online forum, web video conference and YouTube as a tools for e-learning. And during our regular classes we used to have books for learning, but for online learning or e-learning we can use digital library, e-journals and e-books as materials. And what are the benefits of e-learning? Both learning and tutoring at your same phase. Less time takes to complete virtual learning than classroom training. It will save your time to learn something new. E-learning is always available. It is 24 bar 7, so we can learn anything at any time. Available from the comfort of your home. Even we can learn from our home. Smaller setup cost from both sides. We can save lot of money and open for all age groups. It is not only for school or college students, it is applicable for all the age people. Even at the age of 60 we can learn. So these are the benefits of e-learning. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.